Imagine waking up inside Finding Nemo, The Lion King, Cars, or even The Little Mermaid. That's exactly what happens at Disney's Art of Animation Resort. As a travel advisor, I'm going to be taking you beyond the tourist photos to show you why this resort books out 6 months in advance. And we'll also go into room 8753, a Little Mermaid room, and we'll see secret pool features and the game-changing Skyliner Advantage. This tour might completely change your Disney planning strategy. Through these transportation doors, this is where you're going to catch the complimentary Disney buses to all the parks in Disney Springs. Now, the buses typically run every 20 minutes, but during peak seasons, they can come as frequently as every 10 minutes. If you're heading to EPCOT or Hollywood Studios, though, the Skyliner is actually your fastest option. Did you know that this resort contains over 1,100 sketches and paintings throughout the property? The Imagineers collaborated directly with Disney Animation Studios to ensure authenticity in every detail. Let's peek inside the Pixel Play Arcade. It's one of the largest arcades on Disney property and features both classic and modern games. Welcome to the Big Blue Pool, the largest hotel pool on Disney property at over 308,000 gallons. Secret tip, this pool has underwater speakers that actually play music and voices from Finding Nemo. You can dive under to hear them. Now, this pool area is designed to make you feel like you've shrunk down to Nemo size with these giant filter elements and coral formations. These are the Finding Nemo. Each building is adorned with enormous character sculptures, some reaching up to 35 feet tall. Now, a family suite insight. These suites include a separate bedroom with a queen bed, a pull-out sofa in the living area, and a dining table that transforms into another bed. They also feature 2 bathrooms, which is invaluable when you're trying to get the family ready for park days. This interactive area is perfect for kids to burn off energy. The oversized checkerboard is actually inspired by the dentist's office scene in Finding Nemo. Parent tip, this is a great area to let your little ones play while the other family members are getting ready in the morning or winding down after a park day. Welcome to the Lion King section. These buildings house more family suites and feature some of the most dramatic character sculptures on the property. Here is Simba on Pride Rock, and there's Pumbaa and Timon. Hakuna Matata, indeed. The attention to detail is incredible. Notice that the hyenas are lurking near Scar. As we walk down this path, we can see across the lake and we can see the Skyliners. Now let's look at the map. We're now under the sea in the Little Mermaid section. Unlike other themed areas, these buildings contain only standard rooms. There are no suites. Fun fact, these Little Mermaid buildings are the furthest from Animation Hall, but they're the most affordable rooms at the resort. The giant King Triton sculpture is 35 feet tall and took nearly 6 months to complete. You can check out these incredible details, Ursula's garden, Sebastian, and the iconic treasure chest. The Flippin' Fins pool nearby is shaped like Ariel's seashell collection. So let's head up to the 3rd floor to go see room 8753. As you look around, you can see the Skyliner in the distance. I'm going to use my magic band to open up my room, and as you can see, it's attached to my Disney Experience app. We walk in the door. We have 2 double beds, probably queens, nice headboards, some cute art, more art. There is a curtain to the bathroom area. We have a little chest with drawers. We open this, and we have a refrigerator or a cooler. Some plugs. Cuisinart. It's a little different coffee pot in this one. Table and a couple of chairs. Let's go into the bathroom. This is actually a room that actually connects. So we've got the door here with some hooks. Open the curtain. And we have an open style concept of the closet. One sink. And the bathtub shower is blue. We are under the ocean in the water. So same body wash, conditioner, shampoo. Now this is a rain shower type situation. Toilet area, lots of towels. So not a bad room. The full-size mirror is on the door to toilet. Now here's a little tip. While these rooms are smaller than the family suites at only around 277 square feet, they're really good for couples or smaller families who plan to spend most of their time in their parks. Here we are in Landscape of Flavors, the resort's food court. I actually got the child's breakfast for only $7.76. So now I'm going to show you how you pay with your Magic Band. They'll ring it up, and then you're going to place your Magic Band on the actual top of the little machine, and then you're going to put in your PIN. And that's how you pay with your Magic Band. Now let's look at My Disney Experience, and we open up the map of the Art of Animation. Here I am looking at Animation Hall, and I'm trying to find where is the Little Mermaid, and there it is, the very end, and we are building 8. So that is the very last of those buildings. Now let's walk through the ink and paint shop. This pays homage to Disney's animation legacy. Fun fact, the shop's name references Disney's historic ink and paint department, where talented artists hand-painted thousands of animation cells before the digital era. They're designed to look like artists' paint jars. Now, as we step out into Animation Hall, take in the spectacular chandelier made of story sketches from the 4 films featured at this resort: Finding Nemo, Cars, The Lion King, and The Little Mermaid. Now, this resort actually opened in 2012 and is the newest of the value resorts of Walt Disney World. The red and white polka dot vans that you see on the Disney property are actually private transportation that is a partnership with Lyft, but the vehicles are actually owned and operated by Disney, with Disney cast members driving. Have you ever stayed at the Art of Animation Resort? I can actually help you book your next magical Disney vacation. My contact information is in the description below. On this side of the Art of Animation lobby is Cars. Now we're going by Squirt's Righteous Reef, which is a Nemo-themed playground. It's perfect for those kids who prefer to stay dry during playtime. And we're walking to the very back of Art of Animation because we're going to go get on a Skyliner. These buildings are so incredibly vibrant and colorful. There's the map. And now we're approaching Hourglass Lake, which is also a bridge that gets you over to Pop Century. The Skyliner usually begins operating about an hour before the parks open and then runs until about an hour after those parks close. You're going to get a spectacular aerial view of Disney properties along the way. Now the journey from here to Hollywood Studios is going to take about 5 to 7 minutes compared to a 15 to 20 minute bus ride. For EPCOT, you're going to have to transfer at the Caribbean Beach Resort, but the total journey is still about 15 minutes. If you like videos like this, please subscribe. It's free. Which section of the art of animation would you most like to stay in? Safe travels!